Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Design Solution. Today we learn about a C clamp assembly part 2 screw part. Today we make a screw part. I show you how to make these parts. This part using a revolve, extrude, cosmetic thread and helical sweeps. This part make using a different features. Show you in dimensions of parts. Now new parts name, screw, create a OK, select a template, part solid, OK, plan on, select a front plan, revolve. Features: first of all, draw geometry center line and draw as per requirement. (34) (32) (16) (34) This dimension 90 12 mm. This is a 10 mm and close it. Reference dimension front plane, extrude, (160). This dimension is 11. OK. Through all, option through all. Okay, so ready parts. We required cosmetic thread, engineering, cosmetic thread, diameter, thread, select diameter and depth. Depth 85 mm. M squared by 1.5 and 16 by 1.5 each. Okay, next cosmetic threads 12 mm and 12 by 1 mm. Create a OK. This is what's ready for engineering drawing, but we show the cosmetic real like thread on this face, so we using a sweep blind. Reference, define, plan, sketch view, reference, geometric center line, 85. Okay. Sketch. One. Okay. Pitch 1.5 mm. Remove material. Okay. Save part. This is ready for assembly. Thank you for watching YouTube channel my J Design Solution.